Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a simple, easy, but still glam looking New Year's Eve look. So if you want to see how to get that, then just keep watching. So I figured I would just show you the eyes because at least for me, my base makeup pretty much stays the same. I change up the products and use different like brands, but other than that, this all stays the same. So I figured I would just show you the eyes because that's more of where the playing around is. For a New Year's look, for me, it's just all about glitter, and to make it simple, I love the Stila Gloss, or Stila, what are they called? Magnificent Metal Glitter and Glow eyeshadows. These are just the ones that I have, but I also love, let's see, this one's kind of pricey, but if you have it, Natasha Denona, that is a really good one. As far as what I have, that's pretty much it. I have some ColourPop ones, but honestly, these don't really pay off like the other ones do. So, the only color, this one, Ciate, I love theirs too, but I only have a purple one for them. So I'm gonna do this one because it's the only color I have that's more on the like New Year's Eve look in my head. To me, New Year's Eve is just like glitter and then like bronzy silver. That's just what I think when I think New Year's Eve. I really wish I had like a silver one and I could just do the whole lid in silver, but I don't. So I'm gonna do the Smoky Storm. So I decided to put a background up so you didn't have to keep looking at all my nasty background, but I was too lazy to try to get all the wrinkles out because there's like clips on the side that hold the fabric there, and they're too tough for me to do, and Mike's not here. So you get that background. Okay, I'm going to start off with some transition shades. You can use any brown transition shades you have. I am just going to use the Conspiracy palette because I've only used it a couple of times since I got it, so I just want to use more of it. So I'm gonna go in first with the shade Tanacon. So it's just my perfect beginning shade. Do we have a brush? That's the problem, is I have like nothing clean. I feel like the past 5 videos have been me saying I have no brushes clean, but then I still haven't cleaned them. Hopefully it's not loud. It's the weekend. See, and can you hear that squirrel? I hear that squirrel. Sounds like some big truck braking. But anyways, it's the weekend when I'm filming this, so there's so many noises going on outside. So hopefully you don't hear that, or it's not too loud. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and actually start applying this. Oh, as far as what's on my lid, it's just concealer, and then my concealer is set, so. Oh, I love these shades. So, what are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? It's actually going to be my birthday. And I actually don't know what I'm gonna do for my birthday. I feel like most people, not most, but a lot of people that I see, they go crazy on their birthday. You know, they throw a party, they blah, blah, blah. I feel like I don't, because like, I guess I just got so accustomed to people doing things for New Year's Eve rather than my birthday, so I don't really do much. I know for sure I'll go out to lunch with like my mom and my aunt, so like my mom's family. And then I think my dad, I'm trying to convince him to come into town to go to dinner because I don't really want to go stay the night there and sleep on the couch for my birthday. I just kind of want to sleep in my own bed. But then I was thinking of going to this, it's technically considered a ballroom is what it's called, but they're throwing a New Year's Eve party. So I'm thinking of doing that this year. We never really do anything for New Year's because I'm not a drinker. So it just, nothing else is pleasing. I mean, that's what people do on New Year's Eve. They throw a party or they go to a party and they drink, and I don't really care about drinking. Anyways, I'm getting really distracted. Let me know down below what you guys do for New Year's Eve. Next, I'm gonna go in with Diet Root Beer, which is just right next door to it. It's just a darker brown. And we're gonna build this up. Is there any product on this brush? Oh, we're good. So I'm gonna put that in the crease just to start deepening up the crease. And then also in the outer V. I must still have some product on this because it's not normally this dark. I had a dark brown on this before. So, but I just wiped it on my arm and nothing came off. Oh, maybe a little did. All right, so maybe mix it with the dark brown because that's what's coming off. And then I'm just gonna go back in with Tanacon and blend everything. I'm telling you, this is so simple. I normally, when I want something glam, but I really don't want to spend a lot of time doing it, I go for this, which is just pretty much 2 eyeshadows and then that liquid eyeshadow. And you can use the liquid eyeshadow to cut the crease, so you don't even really have to like take the time to get concealer and like, you know, make it pretty and perfect. It's my favorite type of makeup, is sloppy, but it looks good still. Okay, yeah, there was definitely still some dark brown product on this. So I used, let me see if I can get it. The last shade that was on that brush was Cypress Umber from the Soft Glam palette. So if you want to use something like that, it was a dark brown. But I have it mixed obviously then with that Diet Root Beer. So this is kind of 3 shades, but you know, just use a lightish brown and then a dark brown and you'll be good. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the dark brown, which this is closest to me since I put that away. So this is the Juvia's Place, the Nubian, and it's just, oh, that dark brown shade. I'm just gonna grab a little bit and add it over here just because I need it to match the other side. I hate wearing my hair down. Like, you see how long it is? It's just so much work. That's why I pretty much have it up always. All right, let's move on. I already said that. So I'm gonna take the Stila liquid eyeshadow in, like I said, Smoky Storm. If you don't have this specific one, it's basically just like a bronzy silver color. So if you have something that's similar, you could use that. If you don't have a liquid eyeshadow, you can obviously use a eyeshadow. You just get more payoff, I feel like, with these liquid ones. So like I said earlier, I also use this to cut the crease. So I'll just take it, and I like the Stila one specifically because they are rounded. So I can just put it on my eye and then follow my crease to cut the crease out with the liquid shadow. And then I'm just gonna bring it to the center and then start kind of lightly flicking it at the edge so that it'll help me blend it better. And then I'm gonna take the brush that had the dark brown, and I'll probably add a little bit to it, and then just use that to lightly blend the edge on my lid. And then a little bit up in the crease. And then I'll go back in with Tanacon and just kind of blend the edges out again. Now for the lower lash line, I'm basically just gonna repeat. So I'm gonna grab a small amount of the dark brown with the same brush and run it along the waterline. And I'm gonna kind of keep it, the outer to the middle. I just stabbed my eye. Now let's grab a little bit of Tanacon, and we're going to use that to buff it out and also blend it up to the top shadows. And that one I will bring all the way over. Let's do an inner corner and brow bone highlight, and of course I'm gonna use MAC Nylon. I use this for pretty much every eyeshadow look, so it's my go-to. I love the shade. Oh, nothing compares. I just pulled that too low. Brow bone. Brow bone. Just got that in my eyebrow, you idiot. I'm trying to think. I feel like I made this too orangey. That's right. I don't know. I feel like bringing the gold into it more. This could be a mistake, but I'm gonna do it anyways. So this is the Urban Decay Liquid Moon Dust eyeshadow in Chemtrail. You can't use this really on its own because it's not very opaque, I think I'm just gonna add a little bit up here just to kind of give it more glitter, but also add some gold in there. Just because I feel like, ooh, beach. With the inner corner highlight being gold, and then I also did my highlighter as gold, I feel like the eyes now look too silver. So add a little. It just added a little bit more. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara off camera real quick, and then I will be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and do the lips real quick. I'm thinking I'm just gonna do a gloss, but obviously do your preference. If you want it to last all night, a liquid lipstick obviously is going to be better for you, but I just really want to do a gloss. I don't know if this is gonna match now. Yeah, we'll try it. This is the Hourglass lip gloss in Sublime. I got it as a little sample, a free sample when I bought the, ooh, you can't see this. What is it called? That like 8-pack ambient lighting something. That is what I'm doing for the lip. I don't really think it goes that well. Nope, not really. Dang it. I feel like this is the worst part for me, is I can never pick something that matches or that goes when it comes to lips. Ugh, whatever. Okay. Oh, if you're wanting to know, that was the L'Oreal Signature Rouge in Eye Empower. So that is my New Year's Eve Halloween. Ugh. Alright, so that is my New Year's Eve look. Like I said, for me, it's just glitter. So yeah, this is a simple way, like I said, using liquid eyeshadows with glitter in them just make it so much easier and so much faster to get a glam look. So that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.